It's very engaging, very useful.
He's gotten the crowds going.
I highly recommend this program. Big thumbs up. My name's Angela Jones-Blaney. I'm the Executive Director of City Engagement and Experience at the City of Parramatta. I've just had the great pleasure of listening to Daniel today talk to us about the 5 monkeys. I came in here not knowing what to expect, and I've walked out with some great strategies on how to deal with my own emotions in the workplace. Biggest takeaways from today were Daniel's energy, the way he got everybody involved in the presentation, but it was thought-provoking. Everybody that was in the room today can take some strategies away with them to implement in not only their work life, but their daily life with their families.
I really enjoyed it. There were a lot of practical things that I could take away and take into my workplace. It was really engaging, it got people up and moving in a different way than I've seen in other wellbeing seminars, which was really fun.
It's been fantastic. He's gotten the crowds going.
It's very engaging, very useful. I definitely recommend it for other businesses.
100% recommend this for other businesses. I think it's really important to have that mindset of thriving wellbeing in your workplace.
To any company who's thinking about engaging a facilitator to come in and do some work with your employees, I highly recommend this program. Big thumbs up.
He's gotten everybody incentivized by his tools and tips on how to cope with life stresses. He's really been important to us all. They've all really enjoyed this, and it's been a great pleasure to have him working with us. We can't wait to work with him again, and I'm sure all of our staff can't wait to see him again.